Hello and welcome back to the Barbox Blender tutorial channel. So today I'll show you how you can append other Blender project that you started. Let's say for instance you are working on a specific project like something like this, and then if you want to import another project that you did into this, I'll show you how you can do that. So go to File and then select Append and go to your specific Blender projects and then click Append, and it will open up this option. So the important thing here is select the object option and then click Append, and then it will open up the details. So the object folder contains various textures, mesh, all the details, lighting, and the materials that you need. So press the A on your keyboard and then that will select everything, and now click on Append. Here you can see it's imported. Let me zoom out. Okay, we can go to View to adjust visualization, clip at 1 meter, and let's make this 10,000. Alright. Now you can see everything from your previous Blender project is imported into your new project. So this is the way you can import the Blender projects that you did or you started, so that you save time like recreating those. So this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try to help you out as much as possible. And I'll see you next time with another Blender tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice weekend.